Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO X300 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll the settings. Then from main settings list, go to home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Click on wallpapers. And now just pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. You can search the online store by tapping on more wallpapers. You can also select from albums to pick some photo of your own. Let me try to download this one. Hopefully my network is strong enough to do it right now. So as you can see, it will reach your count your steps. You've got the info here. It's quite interesting. You can tap to set a goal. I will make it lower, which will be calculated based on the step count generated during the use of this wallpaper, and the scenery on the road will be displayed. You will reach the finish line once you achieve your goal. So then just mark apply, allow. Not sure. Okay, so it is applied. As you can see here, it's brand new wallpaper. Obviously you can pick a static one with no such options. Let me re-enter settings. And if you wish to have something like this, just mark download. It's also live wallpaper, sorry. Let me cancel it. Okay, so let's pick this one, kind of basic one. It's still live wallpaper, but it only immerses yourself in light and also shadows when shifts between light differences. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.